Walnuts might seem like a simple snack or a crunchy addition to your favorite salad, but beneath their rugged shells lies a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your health in more ways than you might imagine. While many turn to trendy superfoods for a boost, walnuts have quietly held their own as one of the most nutrient-rich foods you can add to your diet. Today, let's uncover the remarkable benefits of walnuts and discover why this humble nut deserves a top spot in your daily routine. First, let's talk about what makes a superfood. Superfoods are foods that are especially rich in nutrients and have been shown to offer significant health benefits. And walnuts? They fit the bill perfectly. Packed with an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and antioxidants, walnuts bring a lot to the table. Literally and figuratively, one of the most standout features of walnuts is their high content of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. Unlike most nuts, which are rich in monounsaturated fats, walnuts are unique for their abundance of polyunsaturated fats, particularly these plant-based omega-3s. Omega-3s are essential fatty acids, meaning your body can't produce them on its own. You have to get them from your diet. They play a crucial role in heart health, helping to reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and support healthy cholesterol levels. In fact, just a single ounce of walnuts provides about 2.5 grams of ALA, making them one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3s available. But the benefits of walnuts don't stop there. They're also loaded with antioxidants, including polyphenols, vitamin E, and melatonin. Antioxidants are compounds that help neutralize free radicals in the body, unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and contribute to chronic diseases and aging. Consuming antioxidant-rich foods like walnuts can help protect your cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and support overall well-being. Inflammation is at the root of many health problems, from heart disease to diabetes, and even some forms of cancer. Multiple studies have shown that the polyphenols in walnuts, particularly a type called L-gitannins, help combat oxidative stress and inflammation. When you eat walnuts, your gut bacteria help convert these polyphenols into compounds called urolithins, which are known to have strong anti-inflammatory properties. This means that walnuts don't just provide nutrients, they also actively work to keep your body healthy at a cellular level. Of course, we can't talk about walnuts without mentioning heart health. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide. But research consistently shows that incorporating walnuts into your diet may significantly reduce your risk. Studies have demonstrated that eating just a handful of walnuts each day can help lower LDL, or bad cholesterol, while maintaining or even increasing HDL, the good cholesterol. The healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants in walnuts all contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system, helping to keep arteries flexible, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of plaque buildup. But perhaps one of the most fascinating benefits of walnuts is their impact on brain function. After all, it's no coincidence that walnuts look a bit like little brains, and science backs up the idea that this nut is good for your noggin. Walnuts are rich in polyunsaturated fats, vitamin E, and other nutrients that support cognitive function. They also contain compounds that promote the growth of new neurons and protect existing ones. One surprising study, published in the journal Nutrients, revealed that adults who consumed walnuts regularly performed better on cognitive tests, including memory, reasoning, and processing speed, compared to those who didn't eat walnuts. The researchers believe this is due to the unique combination of omega-3 fatty acids and polyphenols found in walnuts, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain. In other words, adding walnuts to your daily routine could be a simple and delicious way to keep your mind sharp as you age. But the benefits of walnuts don't end with heart and brain health. They're also a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, making them a satisfying snack that can help keep you full and energized throughout the day. The fiber in walnuts supports digestive health, while the protein helps build and repair tissues. And because walnuts are naturally low in carbohydrates, they're an excellent choice for those following low-carb or ketogenic diets. Let's not forget the vitamins and minerals packed inside each walnut. They're rich in magnesium, which plays a vital role in muscle and nerve function, as well as bone health. They also provide manganese, copper, and phosphorus, essential minerals that support everything from energy production to immune function. Incorporating walnuts into your diet is easy. You can enjoy them on their own as a crunchy snack, sprinkle them over oatmeal or yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or use them to add texture and flavor to salads and baked goods. A small handful, about an ounce or 7 whole walnuts, each day is all it takes to unlock their health benefits. So, let's recap the key reasons why walnuts are a superfood you shouldn't ignore. They're one of the best plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart and brain health. Their high antioxidant content helps fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Regular walnut consumption has been linked to lower cholesterol, improved heart health, and better cognitive function as you age. They're also a satisfying source of plant-based protein, fiber, and important vitamins and minerals. If you've been overlooking walnuts, it's time to give them the attention they deserve. Whether you're looking to support your heart, keep your mind sharp, or simply enjoy a delicious and nutritious snack, walnuts are a smart addition to any diet. So next time you reach for a snack, consider grabbing a handful of walnuts. You might be surprised by just how much this superfood can do for you. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about the power of everyday superfoods, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more tips on how to nourish your body and live your healthiest life.